you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naina and I hope you guys are doing well. Now in today's video I am going to share the biggest news of all. I posted a poll on my Instagram few days back asking about the biggest news of the year, and there were like 3 options. One was like another giveaway, the other one was that I bagged my first ever collaboration, and there was this third option as well. And so many of you guys guessed it right, that I have bagged my first ever collaboration with a skincare brand that I'm gonna disclose right now in this video. So yeah, this is going to be my first ever collaboration video, and trust me that all these products that I'm gonna show it to you guys in this video, I've been using it for the past 1.5 or 2 weeks now, because I really wanted to review it only after using it. So yeah, I've been using their products from the past almost like 2 weeks, and I am so super happy. You guys will know why, you guys will understand it why. So yeah, I'm gonna disclose the brands. So the brand that I've collaborated with is, drum rolls, it's Nat Habit. So you guys are already aware that how much I love my homemade recipes for my face, for my hair, for my body, and I have made a whole lot of videos on skincare, sharing different homemade recipes with you guys. When it comes to skincare or hair, I only trust homemade recipes like wo besan wala uptan and that dahi wala mask and all of that. So yeah, basically this video is going to be about my first ever collaboration with Nat Habit, and I'm just gonna give you guys a little backstory that how did it happen, the products that they have on their website, the price range, review. I am not disappointed at all. जो products उन्होंने मुझे भिजवाए थे उसके अलावा मैंने 10,000 और products उनकी website से order करके use कर रही हूँ, and I love the results. Like I really love the results. And the best part about this collaboration is that I have got my own personalized name, coupon code for you guys. So anybody who shops on their website using my coupon code will get 20% discount, which is so big. Like I was stunned, like seriously this is happening with me. It's my first ever collaboration and I really wanted to have with a brand, you know, जिससे मैं खुद connect कर पाऊँ, products मैं अपने face पे, अपने hair पे use कर पाऊँ. So yeah, I'm really happy about it. So yeah, this video is going to be about the brand Nat Habit and उनकी skincare, hair care products, and trust me, you guys will not regret it. So I have so much to tell you guys, and yeah, without wasting any more time, let's just quickly get started with the video. Alright, so I'm gonna first share the backstory of how I got my first ever collaboration. So I came across this brand through a relative. So she told me about this brand and I checked out their website and I really loved the products. In fact, if I talk about the price range of these products, their products starts from the range of 50 rupees and goes up till what? I guess 250 or 300 rupees, that's all. So yeah, it really got me excited, and I read about this brand. So it was all homegrown. So they make different hair mask, face mask, you know, face scrubber, body scrubber, moisturizer, everything using kitchen products. Like everything which is available in our kitchens is in this products. So it really got me excited, and yeah, I reached out to this brand's Instagram handle, right? I told them about my work, I shared the link of my videos, and you know, like it's my first ever brand जिनसे मुझे इतना sweet reply आया. Like there are some brands जिनसे तुम instantly connect कर जाते हो, even if it as a customer or as an influencer, you connect with them really quickly, and these people were so sweet. Like I'm not an established YouTuber, very honestly. मेरे कोई बहुत लाखों में अभी subscribers नहीं है. I'm just at the beginning of my career, and you know, just respecting that and appreciating the work of that person really makes a huge difference. It motivated me so much. They were so sweet to send me a quick reply, you know, just telling me about all the details, that how they take their collaborations with all the influencers, that I was so overwhelmed. So they basically told me about all the policies they have in order to, you know, collaborate with an influencer, and after that all the conversations and each and every process went so smooth and so quick. Like I was just so happy, so shocked that seriously ऐसा हो रहा है, मेरे साथ हो रहा है. So they said that they would send me 2 samples, one for face and one for hair, and I can use it. They told me that it's gonna be a barter collab. I don't know if I'm allowed to tell you guys this, but yeah, it's gonna be a barter collab where I review their products and they'll send me some samples. I was perfectly fine with, and yeah, for the samples they send me 1 face mask and 1 hair mask, which I'm gonna show you guys quickly. And yeah, this is how it all went. And yeah, I also asked them if they could please give me a coupon code for my followers and my subscribers who want to buy these products, and they were so sweet to give me one. So yeah, they gave me my own personalized name code, which is gonna be right here, so you can even shop using this code on their website. And yeah, now I'm gonna talk about their product range and what all they sent me. So alrighty, this is how the packaging looks. मैंने इसको already sanitize करके रख दिया था. So now I'm just gonna open it quickly. I'm very excited, you guys. Like, this is my first ever collab. कौन लड़की excited नहीं होगी? And best part about this brand is that all their products are kitchen made. You guys know that how much I love my homemade recipes for, you know, hair mask, skin mask. मैंने खुद भी इतनी सारी videos बनाई है. But this is best for the girls जिनको बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं मिलता घर पे कुछ भी करने का, and they still wanna look at their best. So this brand is perfect for them. So look at the packaging. Look at the packaging. It's so cute, lovely colors, and it's so tiny. Like you can literally take it with you anywhere you want. उन्होंने मुझे दो मास्क भेजे थे. One for hair. This is how it looks. जो खत्म हो चुका है क्योंकि ये इतने टाइनी होते हैं that they are perfect to carry around. They are so good. इनके प्रोडक्ट्स जो भी होते हैं ना वो 15 से 30 दिन तक की वैलिडिटी के होते हैं because they are all homemade. ठीक है, ये किचन में से बन के आते हैं, so इनको ज़्यादा टाइम हम नहीं रख सकते. So they sent me this hair mask. This is how the packaging looks. पूरा खत्म हो चुका है as you guys can see. So basically this hair mask is their fresh hair nutri mask which is good for hair fall control. It gives your hair complete nutrition and it is made of 17 herbs. Slow heat infused. You have to refrigerate all their products in summers because that is how it is.
And it has hibiscus leaves, neem, tulsi, amla, shikakai, mustard, black sesame, coconut, shea butter, bringraj, fenugreek.
So it has all these beautiful, amazing ingredients that can suit any hair type. So it has all these beautiful ingredients. इसमें उन्होंने वैलिडिटी और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डेट भी लिखी हुई है. 27 जुलाई को ही बनकर आया है एंड उसमें उन्होंने लिखा हुआ है यूज बिफोर 30 days फ्रॉम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. तो जब आप ऑर्डर प्लेस करते हो इनकी वेबसाइट पे ये उसी टाइम आपके प्रोडक्ट्स बनाते हैं एंड देन दे सेंड यू. So this is how it is. They have their office in Gurgaon and they are currently delivering only in Delhi NCR. And this whole pack मुझे ये 2 बार में मेरा ख़त्म हो गया. So basically ये up to like 2 to 3 times चल सकता है. मेरे बाल तो वैसे भी काफ़ी छोटे हैं तो ये 2 times चल गया था. जिनके मुझसे भारी या बड़े बाल हैं I think उनका एक ही बार ये चल पाएगा. So this is what they sent me. I have used it twice and I can honestly feel the difference. मैंने पूरा हेयर मास्क लगा के भी एक वीडियो क्लिप बनाया which I'm gonna show it to you guys. When you apply this hair mask ना it leaves your hair oily. आपके oily hair हो जाते हैं, ऐसा लगता है कि आपने actual में oil लगाया हुआ है अपने बालों पे. So they ask you to leave your hair mask for about 30 minutes to 1 hour and after that you can shampoo your hair twice. So that's that and they don't recommend you to use conditioner after that. I have used it twice. I washed my hair just with shampoo and I love the results. Like I love the results. मतलब मेरे बाल hair fall तो honestly कम हुआ है. Like you guys have to use it. I'm not lying. You guys take a word for this क्योंकि स्किन केयर की जब बात आती है ना nobody likes to recommend something with a guarantee क्योंकि हर किसी का स्किन टाइप अलग होता है, हर किसी का हेयर टाइप अलग होता है. But here I am so sure about all the ingredients used in this product because it's all homemade यार. और घर के बने हेयर मास्क और फेस मास्क से अच्छा तो कुछ भी नहीं होता. So you have my word for it. Like I guarantee you that you will see the results. मैंने इनफैक्ट इसके बाद पता है और भी हेयर मास्क मंगवाए हैं using my own code. So yeah, this is the hair mask I use. It's a beautiful hair mask. You guys will have to try it and it only retailed for ₹72. That's all. That's all. It only retailed for ₹72 which is great I guess and it's so tiny that you can really carry it anywhere around. Now the second product that I received from this brand is their Nat Habit Fresh Daily Upton. This is how the packaging looks. I really love the colors that they have used for this like for all the packagings. So yeah, this is the second product. I have again used it twice but I still have a lot of left. Now this is again kitchen made. So every product of their brand is kitchen made. It's a Fresh Daily Upton. So Upton basically बेसन का होता है. मैं तो बहुत यूज़ करती हूँ. अगर आपने मेरी previous skincare videos देखे so you know it that I use a lot of homemade recipes for my face. So yeah, this is what I have used. It has white turmeric which helps you in natural glow. It has charoli which fights acne and I have a very sensitive skin so I get a lot of acne. और जब मैं बहुत excited होती हूँ तब तो पक्का ही आता है मेरे. So it's good for me. It has gram flour which helps in exfoliation of your skin and it also has yogurt which helps in moisturizing your skin. It again needs to be refrigerated. So जो भी आप Nat Habit के products receive करते हो ना वो थोड़े ठंडे होते हैं. सो आई थिंक Nat Habit की खुद ही डिलीवरी गाइज है एंड जब वो प्रोडक्ट्स आपके पास आते हैं ना तो वो थोड़े ठंडे होते हैं. सो इवन द डिलीवरी गाय आस्क यू कि मैम आप इनको ना प्लीज़ फ्रिज में ही रखो. So they suggest you to keep all your products in the refrigerator and their products are all inspired by like those Indian ingredients like हल्दी, बेसन जो हमारी नानी दादी हमें बोलती थी ना मुंह पे लगा लो तेल लगा लो ये लगा लो. ये बेसिकली सब वही है, सब घूम फिर के यही है. This whole packet can be used thrice, right? And you just have to keep it for 10 minutes, then wash your face using plain water, and voila, you are ready to glow. So yeah, this is what it is. I've only used it twice. मुझे लगता है मेरे फेस पे शायद थोड़ा कम लगा है क्योंकि मेरे पास अभी भी काफ़ी प्रोडक्ट बचा हुआ है. This is what it is. It's again really tiny. बहुत ज़्यादा कोई बड़ा प्रोडक्ट नहीं है क्योंकि ये सारे किचन मेड प्रोडक्ट्स है. So you cannot keep them for long. So they only recommend you to keep these products or use these products before like 15 days or before 30 days. So इसका validity is only 15 days. Like the face mask is only valid for 15 days. So they say that use before 15 days from manufacturing date. And when you place the order with them, ये तभी आपके प्रोडक्ट्स बनाते हैं, ये पहले बने भी नहीं रखे होते, विच इज़ अगेन द बेस्टेस्ट पार्ट. मतलब आप फेस पे सिर्फ अच्छी चीज़ें लगा रहे हो तो रिजल्ट तो आएगा ही ना पक्का. These were the 2 products that they sent me. I have been refrigerating them since then. I already got over with this hair mask which is again beautiful, and I still have a little bit of left like this face mask. And yeah, now the other sweetest thing that this brand did was कि जब ये प्रोडक्ट्स मुझे भिजवा रहे थे, so due to some glitch मेरा डिलीवरी एड्रेस कोई और इनके पास चला गया था, एंड आई कुडंट रिसीव माई प्रोडक्ट फॉर लाइक 3 days. वो 3 days का डिले हो गया, राइट. सो द कोड दैट दे सेंड मी वॉज ओनली वैलिड टिल 6th August, राइट. और मेरे पास फिर इतना टाइम नहीं था क्योंकि मेरी जॉब है, लाइक आई हैव अदर कमिटमेंट्स एज वेल, कि मैं वीडियो जैसे ये प्रोडक्ट आया बना के डाल पाती, सो दैट मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स को टाइम मिलता है ये कोड यूज़ करने का. सो आई रिक्वेस्टेड देम कि प्लीज़ सिंस आई हैव ऑल्सो रिसीव दिस प्रोडक्ट लाइक 3-4 days लेट, एंड वीकडेज में मुझे ये प्रोडक्ट्स आए, सो इफ़ यू कुड प्लीज़ एक्सटेंड द वैलिडिटी ऑफ दैट कोड. And they were so sweet and they were so quick to reply again. So they said that we are really happy to do that, and they extended my code's validity from 6th August to 15th August, which is so amazing. Like कौन करता है यार. So this is kind of a brand जिससे मैं personally connect बहुत कर पाई हूँ, and मुझे नहीं लगता मैं इनके products कभी भी use करना छोड़ने वाली हूँ. And I think you should also try it. And as I've told you that इनकी product range is starting from about like 40-50 rupees से it goes up till like 250-300. That's all. And if you use my code, you will also be getting 20% discount. That's again great. You can expect their products to be delivered within like 2 to 3 days. इतना ही time लगता है. So yeah, this was the biggest news of the year. This is the brand that I'm totally in love with. I'm only using these brands products currently. मैंने in fact जब इनका ऑर्डर 3-4 दिन डिले हो गया था ना, तो मैं खुद ही इनकी वेबसाइट पे जाके आई ऑर्डर अ बंच ऑफ स्टफ, लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ. सो ये वाला मैंने पार्सल ऑर्डर किया था, एंड दिस वन दे सेंट मी फ्रॉम देयर एंड. इन्होंने मुझे सैम्पल भेजा था टू रिव्यू इट, बट आई जस्ट कुडंट वेट, तो मैंने अपनी तरफ से भी बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स मंगवा लिए. एंड नाउ आई एम गोना शो इट यू गाइज व्हाट ऑल आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड from their website and what kind of range of products that they have on their website, so you guys will have an idea. So the first product that I ordered is a Nat Habit Fresh Nutri hair mask. I repurchased this one. मैंने यही वाला वापस मंगवाया क्योंकि मेरा हेयर फॉल बहुत होता है, and I really want to control it. So yeah, I ordered this one again and I'm going to be using it. मैंने ये वाला अब तक नहीं खोला है. उस दिन मैंने एक और यही मंगवाया इनका दोबारा, फ्रेश डेली उपटन Nat Habit का. So like I have now 2. So मैंने ये वाला मंगवाया है इनका, ये भी मैंने अभी तक यूज़ नहीं किया क्योंकि मैं उनका सैम्पल वाला यूज़ कर रही थी. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट इज़. हाँ, ये सेम उनका वेरिएंट है, बट इनमें काफ़ी और भी वेरिएंट्स आते हैं, सो यू कैन चेक आउट देयर वेबसाइट. Then I ordered their fresh exfoliating Mura, which is made of cinnamon Nashpati Radiance. So it's basically their face exfoliator. This is how it looks, and this was only for ₹45. Can you guys believe it? So it's only for ₹45. It is said that used before 15 days from manufacturing. And yeah, this is my third product that I bought. Then I got other 2 things. Yeah, so I got their Nat Habit का fresh मुल्तानी उपटन. मैं मुल्तानी मिट्टी भी बहुत लगाती हूँ. आई होप यू गाइज आर अवेयर ऑफ इट. हाँ, तो मैंने इनका ये मुल्तानी मिट्टी वाला वेरिएंट भी मंगवाया. सो इट बेसिकली हेल्प्स यू इन स्किन टाइटनिंग, इट हेल्प्स यू फ्रॉम ब्रेकिंग आउट, एंड आई डू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ एक्ने, तो इसलिए मैंने ये भी मंगवाया. एंड आई रियली लव मुल्तानी मिट्टी तो शायद मैं बचपन से लगाती आ रही हूँ. देन आई अगेन ऑर्डर देयर Nat Habit Fresh Hair Nutri Mask, which is again good for hair control. So I ordered this hair mask as well. Now this is made out of 19 herbs and it has oil hibiscus fuse, 5 oil hibiscus fuse. So if I go in detail, they have coconut, shea butter, argan, castor, jojoba, amla, shikakai, bhringraj, fenugreek, neem, hibiscus, every good thing is in this little beautiful pack that I'm so excited to use. And I ordered their Nat Habit Fresh Whipped Skin Malai. So this is how it looks. So it's basically a cream that you apply on your face to moisturize it, and my nani used to swear by this rule. वो खुद भी लगाती थी और मुझे भी लगाने के लिए बोलती थी, और मैंने शायद ग्रेजुएशन तक तो रोज रात को सोने से पहले after washing my face nothing else, just malai. I used to apply that fresh malai जो मेरी मम्मी निकाल के रखती थी अलग से घी निकालने के लिए बाद में, तो मैं उसमें से मलाई लेके अपने फेस पे लगाती थी. and I used to only apply that. and तब जितना मर्जी ग्रीसी लगे, बट जब तुम सुबह उठते थे ना, your skin used to be baby soft. Like it used to be baby soft. I don't know why I left all these habits, but yeah, I think I'm gonna go back to all these old habits of skincare and hair care, because trust me, they are the best. Then I ordered 2 more stuff. I ordered face mist. Okay, I ordered face mist. So this is how it looks. This one is their Nat Habit Lavender face mist. This is how the packaging looks. It is their Nat Habit Fresh Distilled Flora Gel, which is of Mogra. रोज वाटर मेरे पास होता ही है यूजुअली डाबर का, एंड आई वांटेड टू ट्राई डिफरेंट फ्लोरल जेल. यूजुअली कामा आयुर्वेदा में, इफ यू गाइज नो, कामा आयुर्वेदा के लैवेंडर फेस मिस्ट मिलते हैं, विच इज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली अराउंड 225, छोटा वाला बॉटल. गेस द प्राइस ऑफ दिस वन, एंड दिस इज प्राइस एट ₹79. कैन यू गाइज बिलीव इट? It is only priced at ₹79. So I love using face mist. I love using face mist. Now since I'm working at home, you know, looking at the laptop every single time really makes my skin dull, and sitting in AC every single time really makes my skin dry. So I really need some hydration, something on my face that I can just, you know, spray it all the time. So I got 2 of these. I'm already about to get over with this Mogra Flora Gel. I still have lavender, and they both smell amazing. Like they both smell amazing, and they only retail for ₹79. Yeah, like seriously, Nat Habit, where were you all my life? So yeah, that was all about this brand. I really hope you guys check them out. You guys follow their Instagram, you guys check out their website. I'm gonna mention every single detail in the description box, their website link, their Instagram handle. So please do check out that. I'm also gonna mention my coupon code in the description box. So if you happen to shop on their website, do not forget to use my coupon code for that extra 20% discount. These products are so inexpensive for all the goodness that they have, and I really want you girls and guys to try it on. Like anybody can use it, of any age, of any hair type, of any skin type. Yeah, just don't go by my word. Use these products. My coupon code is only valid till 15th August, so please hurry up. And I know I'm a little late to make this video, but you guys please don't make it late, and go and shop now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and my little review on these products. If you happen to buy any of their products, please mention it in the comments below. Tell me, how did you guys find it? Do you guys love it or not? Please tell me, because I would love to know your reviews as well. And yeah, if you like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends as much as you can. Just spread all the goodness using my coupon code. And yeah, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, bell notification button, so every time I post a video you get notified. And I'm gonna see you guys next time.